Hello, I welcome you all in this course on power plant engineering. Today in this lecture, we will discuss the introduction to the sources of energy. Topics to be covered. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to learn energy and its existence, natural resources, classification of energy sources, exhaustible resources, inexhaustible resources. Energy. So energy is the capacity of physical system to perform work. Energy exists in several forms such as heat energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, light energy, electrical energy. Now come to the point, heat energy. So what is meant by heat energy? It is the result of the movement of tiny particles called atoms, molecules and ions. So in solids, liquids and gases. So heat energy can be transferred from one object to another object. So how the transfer will be takes place? It means nothing but heat flow due to the difference in temperature between the two objects is called heat. See, the next one is potential energy. See here, a boy holds a ball. So it consists some potential energy. So see in the next picture, a boy throws a ball. So a ball is in motion. So it is what we have to call it as kinetic energy. So kinetic energy means any object in motion is using kinetic energy. So example, a person walking a thrown baseball. Now potential energy. Potential energy, energy caused by the position. See here, a particular boy holds the ball. So it consists some potential energy. So it is based on position. Now the next one is the light energy. So what is light energy? Light energy is a kind of kinetic energy with the ability to make types of light visible to human eyes. So what are the examples like lasers, bulbs and the sun. And next one is the electric energy. What is electric energy or electricity or electrical energy? It is a form of energy resulting from the flow of electric charge. So it means movement of charged particles. It is nothing but flow of electrons. Flow of electrons through a wire. See here, it is through a wire or other medium is called current or electricity. I think you understand what are the different form of energies. Now natural resources. So what are the natural resources naturally available? What are they? Soil, air, water, forest, wildlife, coal, petroleum and others. See now what is meant by soil? Soil supports plants. Here you can, it is visible, and many other living organisms. Next, air. What is air? Air enables us to survive. Next, water. Water, like air, it is an essential element for the survival of any living being. Next, it is a forest. Forest protects the environment by preventing the pollution. Next one is the wildlife. Wildlife balances the ecosystem. Some other examples, a few other examples are coal, petroleum. So classification of energy sources. Energy resources can be broadly classified as follows. So energy resources will be divided into two. One is the conventional sources of energy. Another one is the non-conventional source of energy. Conventional source of energy also we can call it as non-renewable sources of energy. What are they? For example, fuels like coal, oil, natural gas, nuclear fuels. So what are the renewable sources of energy? Examples: sun, wind, waves, tides, energy from the earth core, we can call it as geothermal energy. And next one is the hydroelectric power. See here, renewable sources means it can be used over and over again. So replenished naturally within a reasonable short time. So they cannot be exhausted. These are cannot be existed. But see, non-renewable sources of energy cannot be reused again and again. So not recycled and replenished. So exhausted with use over a period of time. What are the examples? Are minerals, fossil fuels like coal, oil. So what are the example exhaustible resources? So natural resources are again classified into exhaustible resources, inexhaustible resources. So exhaustible resources presented in a limited quantity can be exhausted by human activity. What are they? Coal, petroleum, natural gas, and minerals like iron, copper, aluminum, etc. What are the inexhaustible resources? Present in unlimited quantity, not exhausted by human activity. What are the examples? Air, water, solar radiation. But here air and water may be contaminated because day to day, day by day, the population will be growing. And not only that, due to the industrialization also, the air and the water, most of the air and water will be contaminated. It means polluted. See, types of exhaustible natural resources. Exhaustible natural resources, we already discussed about it, will be divided into two. One is renewable can be replenished quickly. Non-renewable cannot be replenished very quickly. See, you can see the renewables. You can observe the solar radiation. And see here, these are the some of non-renewables. So examples of, see here I mentioned very clearly, examples of minerals are precious stones like rubies, diamonds, emerald, etc. So metals like copper, zinc, gold, etc. are extracted from the minerals. From these minerals, copper, zinc, gold are extracted. So these are the some of resources where I collected this information. That's all for today. Thank you very much.